Hello, mate.
You're not ready!
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm American. Can I have my phone back though?
No.
Okay, can you put the? What I'm drinking.
Okay. So, y'all, we're in lunch right now.
Get out!
Stop vlogging or vlogging.
She's vlogging our vlogging.
She's vlogging our vlog.
Stop vlogging our vlog. Hello, mate.
I kind of accidentally disabled everyone's phone.
You did?
It was by an accident. Good job. So I do daily thing where I steal Marlon's hat, and I already stole Marlon's hat.
What should I talk about on Emily's vlog? What do you normally do in your vlog?
I say, first, you gotta start out, you gotta go.
Hello, it's your girl back again.
Coming at you, back at it again.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe.
Yeah. Alright,
Like.
Ruby, what's going on in your life?
Claire got me sick. I'm not that sick, so I'm not gonna kill you all.
I went to elementary school with Claire, and I did
Oh
not
yeah, we found that out. That's pretty crazy. She spread her disease. Now I'm dying. Yeah, I didn't want to come to school, but like I did.
Tuberculosis?
Yes, I do have that.
Like,
It's adorable.
you can watch my
Table
What the heck?
You're not British! That was so loud, everyone's staring at me.
You don't say fuck. You
No,
say
it's
feck or fook.
Thick.
I know it's saying that.
What the frick is wrong with you? You sound like my grandma.
you
My
thinking
grandma
you
says
I
thick.
disabled it by accident. I swear it was by accident.
How's it by accident?
Wanka.
No.
Eat renegade. Boom. Ba, ba, ba. Wait, no! Get out of the camera!
I'm in the ghetto.
Ra-ta-ta-ta. Did you break your nail? Oh my god!
Excuse me.
Why'd you fucking stop my video, bitch? That was an accident. Well, when you were trying to attack me. It's not drown. Thank you.
Okay, there we go. So, everybody.
How the hell did it disappear?
Take a drink of my drink. Stop vlogging my vlog! It's my vlog to be vlogged, not your vlog to be my vlog to be your vlog.
We're gonna rate this drink.
No, I want to drink it.
Y'all are squishing it.
No shit!
Okay, so now we're gonna
It's crinkly.
try this.
In one of
No,
my
I
vlogs,
vlog too.
Shiva stole my phone.
Wait,
I
want to be the holder. Let me hold it.
We're gonna rate this Arizona watermelon.
I think it's very tasteful. Okay? Adjuvative.
Is it delicious? Is it savory? Is it sweet? Is it delicate? Is the
Yes, it's very delicate. It's very fucking
You
delicate.
fucking smashed it.
I think it's actually a lot more tasteful when you crush
Thanks
it
a
up.
lot, guys. I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing tonight.
Siri to open my app store.
It's very
Says
tasteful.
she couldn't find app store.
Extremely delicate. Give me another verb. Hi. This is my vlog. Okay, give me another verb to describe.
Well, I have to taste it.
It's a it's a delicacy. No.
Okay.
She tasted it and she tasted. This is a delicacy in
Is it
Sweden.
a superb mix of
It's superb.
combinations?
Yes,
Right?
a mix of combinations.
Combinations, right?
Combinations.
Of savory delight.
You look high. You sound high. Okay.
That's
Welcome.
Congratulations. You're welcome.
Wait, what did he say?
I have no idea. Something about a foot and a
I don't know. New friend over there though.
Stop vlogging my vlog. Your face. It's so fucking hot. Let's rate this school. It's shit.
Better than the high school I was supposed to go to.
It's hot in here. They're like, oh, it's gonna be cold outside. Let's make it 110 degrees in here. I don't know. It's a delicacy when you crush it up, especially when you crush it up.
It's so much more special.
Yes.
No.
Okay. Me and her were fighting over it, so she crushed it. You know what's funny? I didn't even have to take out your grip off the can. You just let it go. I just looked at you. Angry. I know. So do I. When we have it, so we match. We did on my birthday.
How am I supposed to write a letter?
At Carl's house, we made the cake.
How to write it.
No!
that's what that was the
one
meeting
we
on.
ate
I was
the
like, why is
cake,
that
you
in
were
my
there.
way? Okay.
Bitch.
Fine, I'll just.
You were there one day and I was in the same shirt as you and you're like, happy birthday.
Oh my god, same shirt.
Thanks,
Oh
ho.
look, Asher's doing. Oh, you must do the table. That was funny.
What?
He tried to throw the table. It was funny.
We should go sit with them tomorrow.
Wait,
I mean,
can I go
Monday.
see? Wait, I should ask if he wants to be my vlog. Should I go ask if he wants to be my vlog?
He's gonna think you're stupid, but that's the
Yes,
point.
we
At
know.
least I didn't scream about not having a cow on my shirt.
We should bring him a cow and put on his shirt.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
funny because I feel
we
the
should all
entire
get together and
ordeal.
buy a cow shirt for Asher. That would be so cute.
A what? A cow shirt?
He said there was no cow on
We
it.
should all chip in and get him a cow shirt.
We should all buy a rotisserie chicken.
Now I
Oh,
kinda
wait, we
want
already
him
did
to be
that.
my
My bad.
vlog. Now I
Oh yeah, we
kinda
did
want
that.
him. I
We
kinda
bought a
want him.
rotisserie
I
chicken.
don't think I even vlogged that
Yeah,
day.
we had a
because my hands
rotisserie
We
were
should
cold.
make a big YouTube channel for all of us called Lunch Buddies.
Wait, I kind of want Asher in my vlog now.
Then go ask Asher if he wants to be in your vlog.
I want to, but I feel like his friends are gonna judge me. But do I really care?
No.
You don't care. You're about what? You're funny.
I really.
Asher, she wants to know if you could be on her vlog.
My vlog.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah.
Oh my god, okay.
I love making vlogs.
This is Asher, y'all.
going?
Yeah, this is Asher, y'all.
Of
Oh my
course.
god, he's my favorite upperclassman now.
Not even upperclassmen, I'm fucking sophomore.
Yeah, you're an upperclassman.
No,
The sophomore
junior and senior don't ask.
Really?
Oh wow, that's
Is it actually?
crazy.
Oh, learn something new every day. This is Asher, everyone.
Hi.
You're gonna be featured on my Finsta.
Cool.
Oh my god, bet I'll tag you.
Bet.
Oh my god. Okay, so now if my phone wants to not be stupid. I don't fucking know. You wanna put your Instagram so I can tag you? Oh my god, I made new friends today, y'all. Not funny, I can't figure it out.
Why are you eating the tape?
Because Madison just called SOS.
The police? Yes. Watch the police come to the school. Oh my god, that's gonna be so funny.
Oh my god.